So to be able to fix or help your download speed on Epic Games, what we're going to do is over here in their browser, click on your profile and click on your settings. Over here, ensure that the throttle speed over here is disabled, as you can see, and also disable some other unnecessary things here, such as the notifications and other stuff. Aside from that, you could also open our task manager over here. So what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to your Epic Games, right click on your Epic Games and click on Go to Details. Over here, right click once again and click on Set Priority to Real Time or High over here, which will prioritize your Epic Games for all kinds of resources such as internet speed as well. Aside from that, we could ensure that our internet that speed is fast by turning off any other application that are running in the background, especially Steam, stuff like that. And if you try and download, you should then be able to experience better download speed. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.